This is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss about our internal question, that is find the cube root of 5 using Newton-Raphson method, correct up to 4 places of decimals. So the equation of cube root of 5 will be x cube is equals to 5 or x cube minus 5 is equals to 0. So fx will be x cube minus 5. And f dash x will be 3x square. On applying Newton-Raphson method, where initial guess will be x0 is equals to 1, for the first iteration x1 will be x0 minus fx0 upon f dash x0. So 1 minus x cube minus 5 upon 3x square will be equal to 1 plus 4 by 3. Which is equal to 1 plus 1.3333 is equal to 2.3333. Now we have to take another iteration. For another iteration, x2 will be x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash x1. So from the previous iteration, we have the value of x1, that is 2.3333. We will put the value of 2.3333 in x1 and will get the value of the second iteration. So the values will be 2.3333 minus 2.703 minus 5 upon 5.4442 into 3. From which we will have the value of the second iteration as 1.8617. For the third iteration, we will use the value of second iteration and the formula is x3 minus x2 minus f of x2 upon f dash x2. So the values calculated will be 1.8617 minus 1.4525 divided by 10.3977 is equals to 1.8617 minus 0.1396, which will give us 1.7221. For the fourth iteration, we will take the values of x3 and we will apply the same process again. So the formula will be x3 minus f of x3 upon f dash x3. So 1.7221 minus 0.1071 divided by 8.968 will be equal to 1.7221 minus 0.0120 will give 1.7101. Since there is no significant difference between x3 and x4, the cube root of 5 is 1.7101.